Okay, let's take a quick look at the Potion Selector. Let you have a look and see what it's all about. So I'm just going to start off by damaging my health to below my Smart Select threshold. So that drops me right down, and if I press to consume, it consumes a potion there. I'm now at full health. If I press to consume again, oh look, Potion Selector starts on Fortify and lets you cycle through. So if I now try and consume a health potion, it won't let me. If I consume a Fortify one, it will. If I try and consume a Fortify one again, look, the effects of your previous Fortify health potion have not yet worn off. And there we go. Back to cycling the queue. Again, push and hold brings up there. I have no Fortify or Regenerate, just Restore, and it won't let me do that because I'm at full Magicka. You can adjust this fade out time, by the way. I've got it set at I think 3 seconds at the moment. And same here, if I try and restore, I'm full. If I fortify, I can. If I try and fortify again, just currently got one, and if I do that, it allows me to, because it's a different buff. So there you go. I think that's everything you asked for. It's all in there. On top of that, actually, let me just show you a couple of other little neat things that are in it. Let's just go to there. Has stopped pinging messages and bleeping. We're just going to jump in here. Cycle to this. You can obviously edit it and do whatever you want with it. But you've also got this new feature whereby if I just cycle back to a text element, if you look in the instructions where it's got NP2, it says set text alignment right, left, center. If we go to here, it now says set Potion Selector alignment left and right. And if I hit 2, you can adjust the alignment on it. So if you want to have it at the other side of your consumables queue, it'll still look right. It won't be pointing to the wrong side. Do whatever you like with it if you really want. Let me just go all the way back round. Oh, bollocks number. Reset this. There you go, back to where it should be. And you can also, if you like, set the text color. You won't see it until you cycle off it, but there you go, got that. And we'll just jump back out. I'll just show you that that has actually worked. So push and hold, there you go, text color. The drop shadow settings also work on the text in there. Yeah, I think that's it. That's everything there. I've got a few strings to fix in the MCM. I'm not going in there. In the MCM, there we go. But you've got your options here to include multi-effect potions, which are turned on by default. Sorry, that was still set to there. When to show the Potion Type Selector, down at the bottom there, it'll always show when you press to consume, show if you're above the threshold or hybrid, so it'll always show in combat or show if it's above out of combat. Don't consume if effect active, that was the checks that you were seeing going on there. Yeah, nothing in here applies to that. And in Pro mode, if we go down to QuickRestore, I think I've got all of your options in here, so you can set QuickRestore to include any of these. You've got your stat threshold for QuickRestore happening, QuickBuff enabled, QuickBuff activation, always QuickBuff, which was the chain one, on second press, and second press in combat only. It will always QuickBuff out of combat, second press if you're in combat. Second press within window there. Which buffs to apply? Quick heal with switch back, restore when switching back if you've just used a healing spell. So yeah, I think that's all of it. I haven't actually tested QuickRestore and QuickBuff. I'll leave that up to you to do. But yeah, pretty chuffed with those potion selectors. I think they look really good. Maybe just need to move that down a little bit so it's over the text. It's not quite matching up. But yeah, there you go. Hope you're happy with it.